How are you girls? In our today's lesson, we are going to look at sulfur, and by the end of the lesson, I want you to be able to describe the allotropes of sulfur, describe extraction of sulfur, state properties of sulfur, and state some of the uses of sulfur. Facts about sulfur. Sulfur is the chemical element that has the atomic number 16. It is denoted with the symbol S. It is in abundant, multivalent nonmetal. Sulfur in its native form is a bright yellow crystalline solid. In nature, it can be found as the pure element and as a sulfide and sulfate in minerals. It is an essential element for life and is found in 2 amino acids, cysteine and methionine. Its commercial uses are primarily in fertilizers, but it is also widely used in black gunpowder, matches, insecticides, and fungicides. Elemental sulfur crystals are commonly sought after by mineral collectors for their brightly colored polyhedron shapes. In non-scientific context, it can also be referred to as brimstone. So what you are seeing here, this is an example of the crystalline sulfur, which we call the sulfur crystal. So this is what we just explained, that sulfur occurs as free element in underground deposits, and it also occurs in nature as sulfur containing compounds. Example in metallic sulfides, which we have iron pyrites with that formula, zinc blender, which is zinc sulfide, lead sulfides, and copper pyrites with that particular formula. Also, we can have it as metallic sulfates, e.g. calcium sulfate. And I believe we've met calcium sulfate several times, like when we said it is used in hospitals in the manufacturing of plaster. Then we are also saying that it can also be found as hydrogen sulfide. And in hydrogen sulfide, this one, most of it, we can get it in eggs, especially the rotten eggs. The first process, and this is the process of extraction of sulfur. So when you look at that particular diagram, this is an example of a place, like for example in Texas, where sulfur is mined. And you're seeing that sulfur is found below the ground, about 200 meters below the earth surface. In these places, the soil are very, very loose, and therefore we can't dig tunnels to mine it. So we have to come up with another method of extracting it. So in the following short video, you're going to see how we extract sulfur.
The brush process is based on the fact that sulfur has a comparatively low melting point. The brush pump, consisting of 3 concentric pipes, is sunk deep into the sulfur bed. Superheated water at about 170 degrees Celsius under pressure is pumped into the outermost pipe. The superheated water enters the sulfur bed. This melts the sulfur present in the sulfur bed. Compressed air under a pressure of about 20 to 25 atmospheres is pumped in through the innermost pipe. This forces the mixture of water and molten sulfur to gush out of the middle pipe. This mixture of molten sulfur and water is collected. On cooling, about 99% pure sulfur gets separated.